We are going outside to fix this hair. This hair is dry. It has grease in it, but it has zero moisture. So let me show you what I mean. When I say grease, you see my hands, how greasy it is? See the back of my hands, dry, and I go like this. You see? Dry, I'll go like this, and you will see how greasy the back of my, now the back of my hands are shining. This is the palm of my hand. My hair have grease, but my hair has no moisture. Now we're going outside, so I can spritz. I just want to be outside for a little while, that's all. And with me, we are going outside, Choo-doo, outside, choo-doo, outside. It's very cloudy today. Let's see if you can see. We have some dark clouds down here. We have some of that. It's cloudy. It's a cloudy day. I have a bottle and I have moisturizer in it. This is the hair. It is just dry. It needs a little moisture. Have some grease, but we need moisture. So we're going to turn this afro into something else. We are ready. I'm outside. Mirror. OMG, the hair needs moisture big time. I love this bottle. This bottle sprays so good. Remember what it looks like. It's moisture. My hair don't need grease. It already have all the grease it needs. It just needs moisture. Now I'm going to the roots. My hair loves water. I love to spray my hair with water. This feels so good. Now my bottle is sliding because my hand has all the grease on it now from my hair. The dogs are backing across the lake. It's just beautiful. It's a beautiful day. Doo-doo-doo. Yeah, now it feels good. It feels really good. And I just massage all that water in my scalp. Ooh, this is really beautiful. So this is that. From this to that. Now it's all moisturized. The water will dry up and you see the curls are coming back. I'll have to comb it out so I don't have too many curls. But the water has all the ingredients I need for my hair, which is just water and conditioner. Yeah, this is it. Done. See you later. Bye bye. This is what it looks like inside. I'm back inside. And as you can see, we're all good to go. Moisturized. Feels nice. I give it extra water today because my hair was thirsty. Thank you all for watching.